Welcome to our YouTube channel, dedicated to helping seniors over 65 maintain healthy and beautiful hair. In today's video, we will share some valuable tips and tricks to prevent hair loss and keep your locks looking fabulous. Hair loss is a common concern among seniors, but with the right knowledge and care, you can maintain a full head of hair and boost your confidence. One of the best ways to prevent hair loss is by nourishing your hair from the roots. Try using natural hair masks made from ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and avocado. These ingredients are rich in vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth and strengthen the hair follicles. Regular exercise is not only beneficial for your overall health but also for your hair. Engaging in activities like walking, yoga, or swimming improves blood circulation, which helps deliver essential nutrients to your hair follicles. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy hair. Make sure to include foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as biotin and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients can be found in foods like spinach, berries, nuts, and fish. Massaging your scalp regularly can stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp in circular motions for a few minutes each day. This helps increase blood flow to the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. When it comes to hair care products, opt for gentle shampoos and conditioners that are free from harsh chemicals. Avoid excessive heat styling and tight hairstyles that can damage your hair and lead to breakage. Lastly, don't forget to take care of your mental and emotional well-being. Stress can contribute to hair loss, so make sure to engage in activities that help you relax and unwind. Spend time with loved ones, practice meditation, or indulge in hobbies that bring you joy. Remember, preventing hair loss is not just about external care, but also about taking care of your overall health. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can maintain healthy and beautiful hair for years to come.